you're going through the cornfield, huh?
That's right. The cornfield is home. You don't want to get lost.
Don't worry. Look for the path with the blue stone, and you won't get lost.
I was doing the paper towels, and did you make a video? Get that sucker out of your mouth. Get that sucker out of your mouth, Mommy. Get the sucker out of your mouth.
Did you see the baby bluebird?